Hey, Craig and Emma, thank you very much. So here's the alerts that we're watching for today. So we have a storm watch in effect along the coast until 2 a.m. on Saturday. That's this area right about in here. And we also have a high wind watch that's been issued until 2 a.m. Saturday. Obviously, both of those alerts will see some upgrades. It's another alert that I'm going to pull up right about in here. So we'll query that for you here. And this is what we call a coastal flood watch that is in effect. And that's because we're going to be dealing with some wind. It's going to be pushing some water on shore. I honestly would not be surprised to see these expanded as we'll be watching this system developing as we do move forward. So these are the alerts that are in effect at least until Friday or Saturday or so. But for now, we're looking pretty decent out there. Just a few passing clouds, things remaining rather calm with high pressure right nearby. But we are going to be watching for our next system that will be moving in soon. Here's high pressure right here. Here's a weak little cold front right here. But the major system is well off toward the west, starting to get its act together now. Will track off towards the east. And later this week, a lot of wintry precipitation, but mainly rain will soon be on the way for us. So for now, we're going to be under a partly cloudy sky for us today. Any clouds we're seeing will be getting out of here, but more clouds on the way later on tonight and really into the daytime tomorrow as we'll be watching for our next system that will really get its act together in a big hurry. So it's going to start getting its act together pretty much later today with some snow across parts of the upper Midwest, other areas seeing some precipitation, what we call a bomb cyclone, also known as bombogenesis, which means a system that really blows up in a big hurry. And we're going to be seeing that throughout the next day or so, especially Thursday and Friday. We'll see a wintry mix by early Friday morning or so, but with warmer air pushing in, we'll see this switching over to all rain. So anything that does accumulate snow-wise or ice-wise will melt in a hurry with, of course, gusty winds up to 50, even 60 miles per hour at times. We'll push this through, but the gusty winds will continue, especially as we head towards the weekend. All of the precipitation issues will begin to back off, especially as we head towards the holiday weekend. So here we go. Any snowfall mainly occurred later on in the week, though, especially by Friday, as we'll be watching for a little bit of snow in the northern ends of the state. Hardly anything further down toward the south. This will mainly be a rain issue as well, as any of the snow will melt with temperatures getting above freezing. 1 to 2 inches, possibly up to 3 inches of rain before we're all finished up. So a lot of rainfall on the way between now and Sunday. And of course, temperatures will really warm up in a hurry as well before it begins to melt away. Our average high being 33 degrees will be in the mid-30s today and tomorrow. Lower 50s for your Friday, not a typo. Then we'll cool off in a hurry again back into the 20s for highs into the weekend and Monday into Tuesday as well. Your forecast for today, mid-30s, partly cloudy with that west wind getting up to about 5 miles per hour. Later on tonight, mid-teens becoming mostly cloudy with the wind overall looking nice and calm. For tomorrow, mid-30s becoming mostly cloudy with the east wind getting up to about 5 miles per hour. And here's a look at your extended forecast moving forward. So we're going to be watching for things to get active later on, especially as we head towards your Friday with that wintry mix that will switch over to rain with highs in the lower 50s. Today is also the first day of winter. And then by Saturday, Christmas Eve, it's a slight chance for snow, otherwise partly cloudy. And Christmas Day looking pretty good as well. Partly cloudy, highs in the mid-20s.